and you don't know the rules of the road. That's a fatal mistake. Hello, I'm Lamar, your driving instructor. Join us and drive safely and without a ticket. Today we're going to learn how to parallel park. It's very easy if you know all the rules. So here we go. Step 1. Find a spot where you can visually fit your car. Step 2. Stand parallel to the car in front of you at a distance of 0.5 meters. Now turn the steering wheel to the right as far as it will go and slowly back up until in the left rearview mirror you can see fully 2 headlights of the car behind you. Step 3. Align the wheels of your car so that they are straight. Now back up until the front edge of your car passes the rear bumper of the car in front of you. Step 4. Turn your car's wheels to the left side and continue backing up until your car is in line with the other cars. Step 5. Align your wheels straight again and drive slightly forward. Congratulations, you have successfully parked. Now practice on your own on unloaded sections of road. A few tries will be enough for you and you will have no problem using parallel parking in your normal life.